to school on this lovely day. Let me sit down. How are you all doing today? Hopefully bad, I mean good, of course. Oh, and today is a very special day. Do you know why? No? Oh, well, I'll just tell you, it's okay. So today we have a foreign exchange student. His name is George. He is right here, so everyone say hi, George. Yes, so everyone be nice to George. He is all the way from Europe, which is very awesome. So, everyone be nice to George. Thank you. And make sure you behave yourselves, children. Right, George? Yes. You better not blow it. Anyways, so today he will just be watching our classroom and seeing how we learn and do stuff and all that kind of stuff. Got it, kids? Super cool. Okay, so first, hey, Philip, do not stand up. Sit. Good. I don't know why you're standing up. Weird. Anyways, as you all know, except for maybe not Filbert, Thanksgiving is coming up, our very famous holiday here in the United States. Oh, George, you don't know what Thanksgiving is? Oh, well, it's just basically when Americans eat a bunch of food and they're thankful for things. Yeah, just that. And speaking of being thankful for things, class, today I'm going to say what I'm thankful for, and you guys are going to make lists of what you are thankful for, okay? Understand? Good. I'm going to hand out the papers in just a second, but first I'm going to say what I'm thankful for. I am thankful for my gym membership. I am thankful for principals who don't check in the classroom too often, definitely. I'm also thankful for my Starbucks gift card. I love Starbucks. I need some right now. Anyways, I'm also thankful for parents and teachers who yelled at me when I was a kid to force me to be a good person, because I'm such a good person. I'm so thankful for them. So thankful. So you guys should be thankful for me. Not that I yell at you, but yeah, of course. Anyways, let me hand out the papers. Well, actually, they're right there. So everyone go to the table right there and grab your paper. Go to that stack. Okay, thank you. And then hurry, chop, chop. Okay, yes, so here are some pencils that you can use, so feel free to pass these out. I'll put them right here. Yeah, so pass those out and then make your list of what you're thankful for. If you don't want to use this, you don't have to. Just use a pen or some, like a black marker. Yeah, perfect. What'd you say, George? Oh, you're enjoying being here so far. Oh, I'm so glad. That's awesome. See, class, you guys should be nice like that sometimes too. Anyways, yes, keep writing your list, class. I'm going to go adjust my window. It looks like someone messed it up. I'll be right back. Oh, sun in my eyes. Way too bright. I hate it. Anyways, are you kids almost done with your lists? Good. I see you're working on them. Very good. I cannot wait to read some of these thankful lists. Very exciting. Oh, yes, and for those of you who don't know, which most of you should, this is Chelsea over here next to George. So Chelsea meet George, George meet Chelsea, yes. Chelsea is here because, like I said, some of you should already know this, but George doesn't. Chelsea is here because she was in my class last year, but she's in my class again this year just to help. So she is a helper right now. She's fabulous in every way. Right, Chelsea? Yes. She is my favorite, not favorite, one of my favorite students. Yeah. So yeah. Anyways, are you kids almost done? Good. I see you almost finished with your Thanksgiving papers. Oh, okay, well, yeah. Okay, raise your hand when you were done. What'd you say? Oh, you already done? Okay, just, yeah, put them in that pile right there. Thank you. And you too? Okay, yeah, you? Okay, yes. Everyone, just go up to the front of the class and put your paper right here, just like John did. Thank you, John, for being good for once. Yes, so everyone put your paper there. Is everyone done? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, don't judge me, it's just a candle. 2, 1. Okay, everyone's done. Perfect. Let's see here. Okay, perfect. I have all the papers here. Ooh, fancy. Okay, I'm gonna check what time it is to see how much time, if I have time to read this. Okay, yeah, that should be good. I think I have enough time. Okay, perfect. Let's see. I'm gonna read. Oh, this is so sweet. Oh, you did a good job, John. And this one, ooh, these are some good answers. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna read some of these to the class just for examples. Let's Let's find Filberts. Oh, here it is. Perfect. Filberts. So everyone can get a look. Filbert's thankful list. Name Filbert. I am thankful. You need to work on your handwriting a little bit, Filbert. Yeah, here, George, here's a look. Name Filbert. I am thankful for, number 1, video games. Okay. Number 2, Cheetos and chips. Really, Filbert? Chips? Whatever. Minecraft, is that what that says? Oh, you're thankful for a video game. Okay. You're thankful for food, number 4. Number 5, Fortnite. Number 6, does that say house or mouse? House? Okay. Number 7, pets. You have a pet? Oh, that's weird. What is it? A dog? What kind? A chihuahua? Interesting. You're thankful for, number 8, your dog. I didn't know you would be thankful for your dog, who's a chihuahua. Number 9, you're grateful for good grades. How could you be thankful for good grades when you don't get any, huh? Yes, that was a great list. I think Filbert can do a little better next time. Oh, wait. Oh, Filbert, you forgot. You forgot the last line, so I'm just gonna get my grading markers. You're gonna need to fill that in, okay, Filbert? Look. Fill that in with Miss Johnson, please, as your last thing on your list to be thankful for. Hurry up, quick. Thank you. Much better. Okay, now I'll do grading these, but first I'm going to read Chelsea's. Name, Chelsea. Thank you, Chelsea, for participating. So sweet. I am thankful for, number 1, Miss Johnson. Oh, you're too sweet, Chelsea. Number 2, school. Number 3, learning. These are great choices, Chelsea. Number 4, plants. Number 5, sunshine. I like it. Number 6, family. Nice choice. Number 7, friends. Number 8, healthy food. Number 9, animals. And number 10, Miss Johnson again. It looks like you're super thankful for me. Well, thank you, Chelsea. Perfect. I'm going to be going over these and grading them. Let's see. This one gets a plus. Here you go. This one, A plus. Here you go. Oh, my pumpkin. There we go. This one, I'll give you an A. This one's going to be a B. Minus. This one's going to be, let's give this one an A. That works. This one's going to, oh, this is Filbert's. So, I'm going to give you an A. No one saw that? Oh, and for Chelsea, of course, A++. Excellent. Perfect grade, Chelsea. Thank you. Okay, I've graded like half them. I'll grade the rest later. That's okay. Let's see what we have next on our schedule today. What do we have here? Oh, you guys done with those pencils, by the way? Can I have them back? Thank you. I will put them right here. Oh yes, I've been reading this magazine lately. Some good food in it. Yes, speaking of Thanksgiving, are you guys going to cook anything on Thanksgiving? No. Oh, that's a little strange. Who wouldn't cook on Thanksgiving? I always like home-cooked meals. How could you ever get something from the store on Thanksgiving? Oh, never. It has to be home-cooked. Always. Much more healthy, kids. Understand? Yes, of course. Never buy chips in the store, like Filbert. I'm sure all he's gonna have for Thanksgiving is chips. Weird. And also, kids, even though it's Thanksgiving, do not buy pumpkin pie. It is very unhealthy. Understand? Of course. I want you all to be as healthy as me. Of course. Ooh, kids, I almost forgot to mention. So, get your math books right now. Yes, get your math books out. Thank you. But while you're getting your math books out, I have to tell you something. So, you know Halloween passed recently. I have some leftover special candies, king size, that I did not give out. A Twix, a Snickers, and a Baby Ruth. So, today, you guys are going to be trying to earn these. And you want to know how? Well, one is going to be earned by a student who is behaving very well for the day. The second one is going to be earned when the principal comes in, of course, and gives us our report cards for this part of the year. And whoever gets the highest grade will choose between these three. And the third one will be given to the student who has the best coloring page. I'm going to be giving out coloring pages, and whoever does the best job wins, and I will be grading. So yes, if you want to get started on your math right now, yes, please do that. We're going to do 2 pages only today. You're welcome. Usually you do more because they're usually very bad. Anyways, so I'm just going to wait for the principal to come in. But for now, I'm going to be watching you do your math. And whoever does the best job is going to get one of these. So do your math. I will set these out as a reminder of your prize. Understand, kids? Good. I'll be watching. Looks like you're all working and being quiet. I like that. Good job. Taking notes. You're still working. Very good. Oh, a phone call. Okay, be right back, kids. Hello? Yes, this is Miss Johnson. Oh, okay. Yeah, I can go pick it up. Okay, yes, thank you so much. Bye. Okay, I just got a call from the principal saying he's not able to bring us the report card, so I'm gonna have to go pick them up from the office right now. Nobody touch these while I'm gone, okay? Okay, kids, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go to the office and get our report cards, okay? Keep working. Okay, class, I'm back with our report cards, and I'm going to go over them. Is everyone still working? Fabulous, you are. Okay, let's see here. Have my folder, but first I'm gonna go over your math papers. Yeah, just hold your papers up. I'll grade them. I'll see how much you did. Let's see, out of all of you. Oh, Layla. Oh, Chelsea helped you? Well, no wonder you did so good. Here, you did the best out of everyone I've seen. So, would you like the Twix, the Baby Ruth, or the Snickers? Baby Ruth? Okay, yeah. Here you go. Thank you. Okay, everyone sit back down. You can put your math books away. You guys are being pretty good today. I'm impressed. Especially in front of our foreign exchange students, so please be nice. Keep going. Keep being nice, or else. Anyways, I have to sniff my candle. It smells so good. Ah, do you smell it, kids? Smells very good, doesn't it? Yes. It is cinnamon pumpkin muffin, my favorite flavor. Yum. I love it. Anyways, moving on with our day. We still have 2 candy bars to give out. And one of these prizes will be given to the student with the best report card. So let's check right now. Oh, another folder, okay. Let's see here. Interesting. Ooh, okay, perfect. Well, out of all of the grades in that folder, it looks like, drum roll please, and Lily got the best grade in the report card. So everyone give her a round of applause. Of course, a round of applause. I'm so funny. Okay, Lily, would you like to come get your prize? You get to choose between a Twix and a Snickers. I mean, yeah. Which one would you like? Oh, you can't decide. Well, would you like me to help you decide which one is your prize? Yeah, okay. Let's just decide which one has less calories. Oh. Well, this one has 250, and this is also 250 calories. Let me help you see which one has less fat in it. This one has 7 grams fat. This one only has 4.5 grams. So yes, this one's a tiny bit healthier. Here you go. Yes. Okay, someone will be getting this who does the best coloring page later. So I'm going to hand those out. Oh, the lunch bell. Oh, guess we're a little behind, but that's okay. Okay, kids, hurry and go to lunch. And you better not misbehave. Understand? Or else I'll be eating this for myself. So yes, hurry up and go to lunch. And George will be joining you, of course. Thank you, George, and thank you, Chelsea. You'll be joining them also. Just, watch over them. Thank you. Okay, perfect. I'll see you guys after lunch then. Bye. Filbert, you better be nice. Don't embarrass me in front of George and Chelsea. Even though Chelsea already knows you're a bad kid. Anyways, goodbye. Go to lunch. Bye, everyone. Finally, they're gone. Hopefully lunch goes by quick. I already want this day to end. Guess I'll just have to wait till they get back.